Guten Tag everyone. Today is 22 August, Saturday, and today I just talked to Savio. I woke up at 5, I talked to Savio. We are going to ride today and we are going to explore more trails because the hill is. We're going to explore more trails because there's some exploring left to do because we take a left turn in the middle of the trail and we have not explored the right turn yet. It is 8:45 and I have just come from my ride, and today we took our cycles, but it was raining quite heavily, so we went to the place of the drop and we did not do much today. We just scouted out what we can make. And Savio, I know you're watching, let me know if we can build the whole month or not. And while coming back, I love this. While coming back, this is my helmet. This is Slave's helmet that I bought, his old helmet, because this fits me better. So I had two helmets and I did not wear any of them because it's full face. For 4 kilometers I just rode like this, and there was police over there, and police just looked at me and said, "Do helmet." And I said yes, and I was wearing none of them, like full proper Mira Road Chapri, and I'm hooked. Amazing. Post-production Ilyas here. So what happened was that in the morning I called Savio and I asked him that in the day before I told him that it was around 86% precipitation chance. In the morning when I called Savio, he checked the precipitation chance and it was 20%. The issue was that he checked it for where he lives and I checked it for the place where our trail is. So there was a mismatch and he told we'll ride, but when we went there, the weather forecast was correct and it was raining heavily and there was no use in going up the mountain and just slipping around. So we were there, we scouted the place, what to see, what we can build, what we cannot build, and we figured out what we have to do at the hill, entirely what we have to build. It's 10 AM, I have now finished eating, I have freshened up basically, and now I'm going to start editing. Yeah, it's going to take a lot of time. Okay, let's go.
What we do here is go back.
It is 11:45 and I finished editing the video. Now exporting will take time and then I have to upload this to YouTube also and schedule it for today 6 PM. As the video gets rendered, I am going to make my lunch beforehand so that I can leave for Vihans early. Post-production Ilyas here. I made my food. Then we had some Wi-Fi issues, so I figured that out. After that, I went to Vihan's place, and while I went to Vihan's place at around 2 or 1:30, and while I went there, this happened.
Understanding a particular there are some languages that the poetry sounds really good.
English
much better.
Oh.
English is very simple.
No. As someone who's learned Urdu, there is
The kind of the words.
I hate it because I was forced to.
I know it.
But still, there is certain stuff that I'm also like.
So that is the flow of the
The
language.
sweetness,
Whatever. The flow of the language, the beauty of it. All of that I get. But it's not important.
It's not important
Because
to
there
you.
are-
It's
you are
not important
considering-
to you.
You are considering
there are
language as
millions-
only a means of
Like,
communication.
In fact, you are thinking very short term. There are
Yeah.
millions of languages that have died out over the centuries because of this very reason. Because finally, what is most
Communication.
important about a language
Communicate.
is how it is spread, how it is communicated, and which
How
language
easy
is the
it is.
most important at the time, and how easy it is to learn. So, the fact is that these languages that are very beautiful and all today, I said there were hundreds.
Just so you know, I'm not
Thousands of
disagreeing with
languages.
you.
तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
I'm just saying that for you, it is just about means of communication, which is why you've learnt English well, and you moved on from there. But there are other ways and other needs to learn more languages.
There are so many needs. There are so many needs to learn.
And it's not just for the sake of communication. It's for the sake of
enjoyment, love,
expression of things. It's like art.
Finally, another issue with learning more than one language is that the whole concept of the more languages you learn, the better you get at all of them is true to a point. After which, any kind of I personally feel that my English is really good, better than 99% of people that I meet, only because I have only read and learned and heard English for a very long time. And I'm so glad I did that, and I didn't try to diversify into Hindi movies and all that, because right now my skill of communicating and arguing in English, it makes it so much easier in so many ways, whether I'm writing something or the kind of just mastering one language makes you more capable of understanding different kinds of emotion instead of going for 10 different ones. So finally, the whole thing about beauty and all of language, and beauty in any language is not inherently there, it is created. So, and that you can create with any language, whether it's English, yes.
No,
Whether it is and these same thoughts that are conveyed in Urdu, there are the same thoughts that are conveyed in English
the
poems
same
also.
the thoughts may be conveyed, but that
Emotion.
But this entire thing about emotion lasts only maybe a century or two. Beyond that, a version of you that lived in the future, your descendants, it's just not going to matter. You can say beauty and throw it around
See,
as
I'll
much
tell
as
you
you
another
want.
thing. I'll tell you one thing.
But it's not important.
I'll tell you one thing. Every language that comes into the world says a lot about the kind of people that were there. Okay. Now, if you hear Marathi, it sounds like a very angry language sometimes. If you hear Malayalam, it sounds like a very sweet language. Okay, then if you hear Urdu, it sounds very rich, okay, and very luxurious, royal. Okay, so the reason for language might be communication, but at the end of the day, there are certain emotions that come out only through different languages. I'm not saying that what you're saying is wrong.
See, it may be the other way. Royalty may have influenced Urdu rather than Urdu being influenced.
Of course, that could also be a case, whatever it might be. But I'm just saying that the people and their language have
what I'm saying is that finally, at the end of the day, that is pointless. Because whatever you can say about beauty, flow, everything, the fact is that the languages that remain and exist to this day are the ones that are easy to communicate in, the ones that are most widely spread. Okay, so all of those things are the ones that matter. How can you not? Because ऐसे Urdu जैसे there must have been 100 languages in the past that don't exist.
English.
The whole, and they must have been maybe even better sounding with better flow, better diction, everything. But finally they're gone, aren't they?
English has gone. English has been one of the causes for all these languages dying out. But the fact of the matter is that it just happened that the British occupied a large amount of territory all across the world, and they had an intention of not allowing the local languages to grow. They came with that intention, so that the whole thought process, everything is curtailed. Hence, they introduced English.
No, in fact, that is not true.
That is
not true because
Macaulay, Lord Macaulay is the guy.
There were entire leagues of Britishers who were under the opinion that English should not be spread, so that you can limit the amount of knowledge that these rural people have access to. And not just that, even
industrialization.
There were entire.
This is a fact.
There were Englishmen.
Lord Macaulay
Who would take the effort, and any English officer in India would know Hindi. Would have taken the effort to know Hindi in the colonial period.
They did to communicate with the locals. But I'll tell you one thing. that was a point of time where industrialization was a very big deal. They were trying to industrialize every place, okay, including their colonies, which means they needed manual labor. And for that manual labor, they needed to get.
Whatever. So
they
even
needed
if-
to
even if
pass
he binds this
Indian
up-
children. They needed
I
to
know
pass
that.
Indian children.
But
through
even
the
if that's
system.
true, but what difference does it make to my point? Which is just that the languages may, the beauty and all is just overrated.
No, one thing I tell you, okay, India may, regardless of any kind of outside influence, we have managed to maintain that. We have managed to maintain a lot of languages and a lot of cultures. I agree to some extent to what you're saying.
That we're divided.
That no, not the division is not because of
It
language.
is.
One second, listen to me first.
It is, but
Listen to
For-
her.
I am.
Listen.
But it is.
When
That was
and
the
also
mistake.
I'll tell you one more thing, okay? There is proper proof. If you want, read about the proximal development का एक concept है. उसके अंदर they talk in detail about how knowing more than one language is beneficial to your brain development.
I don't know. if
Okay,
That is true.
that is true.
Initially, yeah,
That is
initially.
That's what I'm saying.
Early
To a
education,
point.
early education,
Up to
may,
a
it
point.
helps. Secondly, within, because we have so many cultures now, I agree that it gets very difficult to maintain, very difficult to
And part of that is because of the language.
yeah, no,
Barriers.
part of that is because of the culture,
Language barriers.
Which
and stuff.
includes
Call it what it
language.
is. Huh.
which includes
What do you
language.
mean by
And yeah, we
language
do need like a
Uniform
uniform
one
one
language, yeah.
language. Having said that, I think it is brilliant that if we manage to keep English as our first language and everybody manages to learn that, then uske niche I don't mind people having
But
their own
that, see,
language.
but that's the thing. That doesn't happen. You cannot have one uniform language and be like everybody else maintain your individuality in these senses. Maybe that'll last for one generation, maybe two. But the third is just going to be like, finally तो सब लोग को English आती है. Why am I bothering to learn the second language at all? Then the fourth generation goes and thinks, I don't need to learn this second language. All I need to know is English. And then that is how, in fact, that'll be the best case scenario, where finally we lose out on these different languages, we adopt one, okay, we sacrifice our hang-ups to our culture, our ancestry, we sacrifice all of that to get more prosperity into our future. That'll be the best case scenario.
I agree.
Because the fact is that we have so many states, so many people, so many divisions, and languages are a big part of what divides people. Different languages means different people, always. So once that goes, not only will we be unified, we'll have one method of communication. There will no longer be discrimination on the basis of language and culture, and we could actually expand as one country. In fact, eventually, though, I believe that every language should be defunct and there should be just one language. I'm not saying it has to be English, but most likely it will end up being English, because currently English is spoken by every country. There is no country that does not have English
Good.
speakers.
That's
And
right.
it will be that it will be the scenario. I know it hurts our ego that it's not our language originally.
It doesn't really, because most people think of it as non-controversial.
That's the thing, but it does
No,
hurt
it is
some
deep.
people. So finally, but that is the
Because
best
some-
case scenario we could have. Every other language dies out.
No, see, I agree with everything that you're saying. I agree that eventually it should be just one language. But I still see the appeal in other languages. I see the appeal in... I like to go and... because it tells a lot about
When was the
the
last time
kind
you
of
read a
people.
Hindi book, Anushka?
I've read a lot of Hindi
Last
books.
time.
Arey yaar, I
When
was in
was the last
Uttarakhand.
time?
I was reading only in Hindi.
Those were school books.
Not school books.
I am
had to
saying-
read. I had to read
I am
the...
saying,
One second.
if you were given a choice, okay, between a very nice text, okay, an original text in Hindi, say the Bhagavad Gita, and an English translation, which one would you read?
But don't tokofy me. I would read the English one. But that's because I'm better at English than
easier.
Hindi.
It's
It's
That's what I'm
easier.
saying.
Yeah, but
English
not
is
everybody
easier.
needs to be the-
But
that
I'm
Why shouldn't they?
again I'm telling you, you're not understanding me. I'm trying to tell you that I'm not saying that what you're saying does not make sense. It totally makes sense. Eventually, I would also love it if all my kids in Uttarakhand and all the kids here know English and can mingle with each other. My only reason to say that no, I do appreciate other languages is because it brings in a lot of color and
Division.
vibrance. No, see, there are negatives. There are lot of negatives.
You
to
are
that.
creating a situation where there is only black and white.
Yeah.
No,
We are
there
talking
are
about
lot
all
of
sorts
negatives.
of
only
rainbow
black.
colors,
There
a
is
palette
no-
of colors,
there is no-
in between colors.
There is no culture that comes without division. The whole idea of my culture, the whole idea of the entire concept of cultural appropriation is key. There are certain cultures that come and say that no, white people are appropriating our
अरे
culture.
but तू एक बात नहीं समझ रहा है मेरी.
But-
You're not understanding a simple fact that
That-
culture, it is not going to
It is
go
always divisive.
regardless of language being there or not being there, regardless of, because we look different, because we think different, because we are from different places, we have different social influences, different economic influences. It is impossible for that culture to go.
It can.
Language.
It will not go. It will be replaced by one culture.
Hey, have a look at this.
That is the whole thing. It will.
Ah, so cute.
My entire article that I'm writing is about that only. Ki finally, hey, nice. That's really good.
Who made that?
That's a brilliant idea. It's creative. Finally, it has to go. इसके बिना we are all dead. That's what the whole article is about. कि अगर you do not forget each and everything that divides us, we are all screwed. Because there's so many things for which you need international cooperation to even protect our own planet from. I'm not even saying just from us. बाहर के threats.
Utopian.
नहीं, बाहर के
Very, very
threats.
utopian.
And you know one more
Yeah,
thing.
they are utopian to the extent where you're thinking of a situation where everything will be. It's a Meluhar situation.
It has to be like that.
It cannot be
It
like that.
has
Without
to.
that, there's no fun in life.
There is no such thing as fun. Does not come. The entire idea कि fun comes from in culture comes from there being differences and all that. That's not true.
Not differences.
But तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Instead of having 10 different cultures where each one has fun in their own, why can't we all have one culture where everybody has fun? If you're talking about fun as being the main factor,
अरे but part of the reason why I enjoyed so much in Uttarakhand is because एक तो देखो mountain people, so they had different like their thoughts about एक तो their food, okay, then their thoughts about how to communicate with each other, you know, things, stupid things like their language, how they speak is much louder than most other people. Why? Because they're so used to it. They're constantly yelling at each other from one farm on one mountain to another
that's
farm on
not
another.
culture.
That is.
What do you mean?
Culture first, okay, hold on.
That
That
is
is
all
what
culture.
culture is.
Culture, that is not culture.
Search of the meaning.
Sorry?
Search of the meaning of culture.
No, either way.
See, culture.
See, fine.
Culture will come up from these things only. It evolves from these things only. From simple things, simple facts
Yeah.
like this.
Everything is culture. How one
How
set of people
in one,
lives.
one
And
set
either
of
way, first of all, my original argument was never about culture. Because see, the earth, the entire planet is too big for there to not be those kind of differences. Where one set of people talk louder because they live in a hilly environment. They have to communicate with each other. That is different.
You know, the ideas,
ऐसे
customs.
तो there will always be
Clearly,
physical
the
differences.
ideas-
There are people who live on the Everest who have different intonations, different
Exactly.
amounts of volume, but that is
bound
not
to happen.
Finally, I am talking about what? Language. I am talking about
and language
only
comes
language.
from where?
No,
It is language is a bunch of sounds
No.
that you put together.
And comprehend.
Yeah, and that
Sounds,
one
actions.
sounds, actions, all of that, expressions and all of that, right?
ठीक है.
The
At the
ideas,
end of the
customs,
day,
and social behavior of a particular people or
So
society.
that's fine. That's okay.
it is impossible that
It is not. Finally, एक दिन. How can you say that is okay? You know what?
Sorry for the interruption. A guest came over and we had to stop. The debate was not continued. I left at 6:20 p.m. I came home around 6:40. I ate my food. We prayed. Then I got ready to sleep. I read my book, and then I slept at around 8:30. That was day 2 of Ganesh Chaturthi holidays. That is it for the video. But before tuning out, I have a message. Hello everyone. I am currently in the process of making an affordable jersey under 1000 rupees available to everyone in the world, everyone in India via Amazon. So there is a link in my bio. I urge you to fill, it is a form. I urge you to fill it out because it is a market research form. It is going to help me to decide how many jerseys to make, how many and what sizes to make it in, and other factors like that. It is a market research form. I urge you to fill it because it is going to help me create a better product for the mountain biking community. It is going to be a loose downhill jersey, not lycra. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow 6 p.m.